Okay, as I recall, to get this video card out now, you got to push a little button. I forgot about that button. I haven't done this in a long time. So push the button and move this retainer over. And then I'll show your slot numbers, which is really cool. And I think the card will come out now. Let's try it with one hand. Yep, comes right out. So there's the old card coming out. It had a 6-pin connector on it. 6-pin cable. Anyway, let's put the new card in. Here's the new card. The RX. It doesn't have the frame header on it, so I wonder. It's not really an Apple card, it's a PC card, so I could probably unbolt this maybe. I don't know. It doesn't have the nice Apple frame on it, unfortunately. That's unfortunate. Well, anyway, let's see if it works. This card takes up, looks like 2 slots. The old card was also 2 slots. I'm not some video card engineer, I don't do this every day. But I know hardware to a degree, so. Alright, put this card in here, get these cables out of the way. Oh yeah, here's this little slider thing. And this card has the slider thing in it, so that operates, I think that operates via this handle here. Let's try it out. Alright. So that may hold the card in just like that. I keep grabbing this card by the side and hitting the fans, and I'm probably going to bust a fan blade or cause it to like not rotate correctly, so you got to be careful to hold the card here and not touch the fan blades. That's a bad design. Or I'm a bad human, I don't know which. Alright, one hand. Trying to get this thing in here. I think it's in, let's see. Yep. Okay, the Sapphire is in here, one hand. I guess to boot it, I can just try and boot this baby up and see if I can get this thing going. Let's put the cable in. Here's the cable. You know, you just can't get rid of an old cable. There we go. And I'm thinking this goes down like that. Yep, snap. Okay, that is snapped in there nicely. The card is seated. That should do it. Let's hook up the video on the back of it. I'm going to use the DVI plug here. Here's the DVI plug. And I guess I could have removed that before I put the card in. Anyway, suffice it to say, we'll connect it up and check out the next video for the boot.